In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract capital name of each country by using Power Automate. This is my data, this is the countries, and I will fetch the capital name from Google by using Power Automate. So I'm closing this Excel sheet and I'm coming in Power Automate. I just hit the run button and it will automatically open the Google Chrome and paste country name one by one, and it will fetch this capital name. See, New Delhi for India, Australia, Canberra. So automatically it is fetching the capital name by Power Automate. So my robot has successfully executed, and here is the data.